Love the way you put it on. Girl, you got my attention. All of my attention, yes. Type black lemon, shield. Perked up in Brazil. Yeah, you got me burning up in here. 2 black 5 in heels.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. Today's video is sponsored by ISEE Hair. ISEE Hair was so kind enough to send me over their 24-inch Yaki Straight Wig. And before we get into the specs of the wigs, let's just go over the details in the box. They did send me over a wig cap that contains 2 wig caps. Inside this envelope, they did include an elastic band as well as wig clips. Now, of course, you can use that band to wear the wig glueless. They also sent a flyer that kind of shows you how to apply the wigs and give you information about the wig. This is what the hair looks like straight out the box. It's so beautiful. It's so soft. It doesn't have a smell. I absolutely love it. Now, this wig is constructed with their Mcap wig. So this wig is made to fit snug onto your head. It's made to look just like your natural hair. The wig does include an adjustable band. I'm sorry, not an elastic band, an adjustable band so that you're able to wear this wig glueless. You do not have to glue this wig down. And it also comes with your 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And again, this lace is a 9x6. It has very, very small, tiny knots. It's already pre-cut for you, so literally you're able to throw this wig on and go. So the lace on this wig is already HD lace, so it does look pretty natural, but I'm gonna take some additional steps to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation powder and I'm just gonna apply this onto the lace, as y'all see me doing here. And that's it. I did remove the adjustable band out the wig because I didn't want it. I'm just going to go in with those clips. Those 3 clips is 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And I just use those to apply the wig. And you see me here adjusting it onto my scalp. Y'all, the lace literally blend right in with my skin tone. Like lace wear. But y'all, look, if y'all really wanted to walk out the door like this, you could. But I wanted to play with the wig a little bit more. I wanted to flat iron it, and I just wanted to do a couple of things, customization to the wig myself. So what y'all see me doing is pulling the hair back rather, and I'm going in with my Gotta Be glue spray. I hope I said that right. And I'm just spraying the edges of the lace. That's it, y'all. I'm not a professional at all. This is just what I do. This is what works for me. And this lasts me about 3 days. So if you're not a big wig person, you just want the wig on for the, for the day or night, what have you, you can follow my steps, girl. Go right on ahead. So I don't have a fan, so you see me using this mirror to kind of dry the glue a little bit, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take the end of my rectail comb and I'm just going to push that lace down. And of course, comb back your hair because you don't want that to be in the way. So push the lace down and comb back the hair. If you feel like you have the wig glued down, I would just suggest that you go in with an elastic band and kind of tie your edges down just a little bit, just so it kind of helps with that melting stage, making the wig look extra realistic. So that's what I did. I went ahead and took the hair down, and I'm going in with my Kira wax stick. Now this is to help the wig look as flat as possible on your head. So you're going to go in with a hot comb. That's what I do. You probably can go in with a flat iron. I don't know, but I'm going in with a hot comb, and you see me just pretty much trying to flat the top of the wig because it was kind of giving boxy just a little bit. So go in with your hot comb and just kind of melt it down. So it's been about 15 minutes. I went ahead and removed the lace band, and we're praying for a miracle. And booyah, y'all, look at that. I was so shocked. So of course you see me pushing the hair back. I want to make sure that I don't have any strangly hairs glued to my forehead or what have you. So that's all I'm doing is pulling the hair back. And that's pretty much it. At this point, you can go in and flat iron the hair. That's what I did. It flat irons so good. Again, this is their Yaki straight hair, When I tell y'all this hair looks so good, look at it. Y'all did see me apply some of my foundation powder to the lace just to kind of take some of that shiny away from the glue. But other than that, this is the final look, guys. So if y'all haven't already, please check out ISEE Hair. I will leave the details in the description box below. And remember, you don't have to do everything that I did. This wig is made to wear straight out the box. You can wear it glueless. I just want to give you guys, you know, a few pointers if you choose to do so.
The way you put it on, girl, you got my attention.